Hey friends, Dave here with Transfer Express, and I want to show you how you could select and change your transfer types here in EasyView Online Designer. Now, before we start changing our transfer type here, I just want to point out this dotted line as it denotes the sheet size. Now, this sheet size is 11 and a quarter inch by 14 inches, which is also noted down here. Now, down at the bottom left is where you're going to see your print method. So currently, it will always default to screen print and goof proof. They are our most popular transfers here at Transfer Express. By clicking on size, you can see that actually goof proof, hot split retro, and Elastiprints all are available in a jumbo size, so 12.5 by 17.5. Clicking on that, you see that our sheet size here changes and our artwork does not change its size or ratio. So let's just switch back to a standard sheet size. And you can see it adjusted back. And then let's go change our print method here. So clicking on screen print or goof proof, any of these will bring up the transfer selector menu. And you'll see there is a little bit of descriptor text for each one of our print methods and all of our transfer types. Here are all of our screen printed transfers, our effects down here, the puff, pearl, glitter, glow in the dark, foil, and on and on. Now over here in the full color menu, you're going to see our ultra color transfers, Pro, Max, Stretch, and Soft, as well as our CAD prints options, Express Print, Soft Opaque, Subblock, and then down here at the bottom, even our window decals and our all-purpose stickers. You'll see if we select our Ultracolor Pro transfer type, it's going to change our sheet size to 11.5 by 18. And if we go over and select Ultracolor Max, because it could be ordered as a single image or a gang sheet up to 22 by 22 inches, it does not show a sheet size or dotted line here at all. Now, what it is going to tell you is the final size of your design. So even if you add other elements here, let's just say we'll copy and paste this out and bring it down, it's going to adjust our sheet size accordingly. We could just delete this one out. Now, one thing to keep in mind after you've selected your chosen transfer type here, when you go to checkout, let's just select it back to Pro so we can see a sheet size. When you go to this next step, it's actually going to check your fabric compatibility. So it's important to take note of this if you are printing on some tricky synthetic blends, say if it's containing lycra, spandex, or nylon, it'll actually tell you that this transfer type is not recommended. Whereas if you just go to polyester, maybe cotton poly blends, and even 100% cotton, it is compatible. So that information is nice and handy to know there when you are selecting different transfer types. In this option step, you could still select your different transfer type. You'll see your pricing change in real time as everything comes through and gets calculated here at the bottom. You could also adjust your quantity, but that's a different video. And that's how you select your transfer type here in EasyView Online Designer.